Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, this is going to be the second part of my last video, traveling in lockdown. फ़ोन किसका आया था और मैं कहाँ जाने वाला हूँ? Okay, should I tell you or you guys are coming along with me? Let's go. Place where I'm going, where I was being called. Lockdown की वजह से बंद था पूरा. That is ICAR DOGR. I joined over there in second week of Jan. That is why for completing my project thesis work. I'm graduating. This is my last year, 8th semester. So that project is on drought resistant onion varieties. I'll tell you about that also. But my scientist called me and he was like, you have to resume your work. And I'm the only person who has resumed their work. This place is 66 acres, only onion and garlic. They are only researching on onion and garlic production. They also produce seeds for the farmers. Also, this is one of the reason why I'm happy in the lockdown. मतलब मुझे काम करने मिल रहा है. And what work I'm doing now, it's combination of field work and lab work. That's the best part. मतलब I go farming, I go in the fields, I go roam around, and then I have to work in the AC with the lab chemicals and everything. So this is making me more happy. Like I'm able to work, I'm able to get that experience which I need at the moment I'm graduating. So yes, I'm happy. ये लॉकडाउन की वजह से ना 3 महीने मैंने बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं किया. I was at home, I was doing various kind of stuff. I'll make a vlog on that also. But when I was called by my scientist, I was really happy to go in the lockdown and start working with me. That was the best place I have ever explored myself. Learning new things, getting to know what my interest is and what I can contribute in agriculture. All the scientists and teachers around me have helped me with all my curiosity in the agriculture field especially. months. I have only worked not more than 3 months actually because of lockdown. But I have taken all the things which I could take from the institute. They have helped me a lot to grow as an individual as well as to know what problems farmers are facing. My sole interest is agriculture and different, like different processes in agriculture. So I'm working on that. How I can. My goal is to, develop Indian agriculture. So this helped me a lot working in ICAR, DOGR. All the basic things, complex things, which are necessary to understand to enter in agriculture or things. So I understood the problems of farmers, basically what problems they are facing, and I think that I can help them. The traditional way of farming is really nice, and it gives the not the best results, but you get the results. Now I'm going to work on how can we enhance those results according to our population. Now we have a very populated country, and why I feel agriculture is the only way to get to call India Sone ki Chidiya again is because India there is a scope, there is a room for development, there is a room where agriculture can grow in different ways. So it was fun working in ICAR, and I hope I stay connected to this institute even after my thesis. Thank you.
चला